This is part 3 of assembling the useless box for your project. So in the last tutorial we finished off by having the switch here moving and stuff. So if I just clicked on it, you can, or it's not the switch, the finger. You can see I can move it up and down. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to put it back into the box. We're going to add the lid. Okay, so go back to assembly, place, from place. I'm just going to scroll down here and find the lid. And click on open. I'll bring the lid into place. Okay, right, must click OK. So start off with, I'm just going to constrain it the top to the top so they're flush, and you can hear it pop into place. See, it goes the opposite direction, so we're just going to change this to flush instead. And click on apply. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find, let's find the, well, let's do this edge first. We're going to take that edge, and we're going to make it line up with this edge. And once again, it went the opposite way, so I'm just going to reverse that and go flush. Okay. And in this case, what it is it's gone flush to those. I don't want it flush. I actually want a bit of a space. So in this offset here, remember the size of the lid was 0.05 smaller. So I'm just going to take half of that and go 0.0025. And what will happen is it will give me, as soon as I do it, I'm going to go apply. Sorry. There, and, oh, sorry, I did the wrong number there. Let's go back to this and just go into here. If I did something wrong, I'm going to take this mate one. Let's cancel out of this. Go back to mate here. And we're going to change it to 0.05. Sorry, one too many zeros. Then, there you go. You can see it's actually offset the right amount now. Okay? And then finally what I'm going to do is let's go back into constrain. And this might be hard to see, but I'm going to constrain the axle, that axle there, or axis I should say, with that axis in there, and it pops into place. Okay, and click on apply, and now what happens is I have this lid. When I click on it and hold my mouse key down, see how it doesn't move yet? It's because over here I flushed this first one. So I can actually take that flush and delete it. If I right mouse click and just go delete, okay, there goes that flush, and now I can grab this and you can see I can actually move it, and it will swing on that axis. So that there concludes it. So I can basically lift up now, and I can then lift my finger up and you can see it come up. Okay, and that concludes this tutorial.